No time, feel the pain, live the grind. I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb. The only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, put your hand to the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I sing what I mean.
Please, and what are you going to say now, please?
Hi. Kerala Sugamano. Yan. Innadil. Vannadil. No. What? Vannadil. Enakku.
ഒരുപാട്
വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്.
ഞങ്ങൾക്കും വളരെ സന്തോഷം. പക്ഷേ രശ്മിക, I think there is one thing what we should do.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇന്ത്യയും രക്ഷിതേണ്ടത് ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണാശംസകൾ.
Yes, and just one more thing. We have.
Yes. Hi. You make me so happy. Thank you. I hope you're all fine. I hope you're all. You have like space. No, I'm really worried about all of you. I hope all of you are taking care of yourself. Vets India, I wish you all the best. I hope it becomes a big, big, big business for you and you make lots of money. All the teams working in Vets India, I wish you all the best. I'm sending you loads of love.
Yes, thanks a lot.
Is there any breaking news about Pushpa 2, ma'am?
I wish I knew.
But there is one big request, like everybody over here, there is one thing we all wanted to see. Because wherever you go, we have been celebrating the dance. I know it has been years, but then still it's there in our heart.
Correct,
So,
correct.
you know, നമുക്ക് കാണണ്ട ആ ഒരു dance.
So, Nacho, come on.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill like
Hi.
Hi, hello. Hi. Side as well. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Rashmika Manthana for you, right? Yeah, here we go. Okay, so
It's the first mall that is starting, so I always like to be associated with New Journey. It makes it very special, so I'm very happy that I got to be a part of the journey ever since the beginning, and I wish them all the very best, and I hope their business grows big. A part of the journey ever since the beginning, and I wish them all the very best, and I hope their business grows big, and I'm still associated.
I'm pretty sure Vets India, they're also very happy with the beginning wall association. So can I have the third question? Who has the third question? Third question? Okay, there we go.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi.
ഒരു വലിയ നിര തന്നെ നമ്മളുടെ സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയ ഇൻഫ്ലുവൻസേഴ്സ്. Because here we are standing this day for this celebration and it's because of 4 people who are standing behind.
Exactly.
And we should get the directors. So ladies and gentlemen, Karanagamali with a big round of applause. Let us invite our directors
So
to
let
come
me
and join us.
invite Mr. Amin. നല്ലൊരു കൈയടിയോടെ കൂടി തന്നെ Vets India. ഓണം wedding നമുക്കായി ഒരുക്കിയ ആഘോഷത്തിലേക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ directors എത്തുകയാണ്. So morning only Mr. Amin and I also invite Mr. Ansar. നല്ലൊരു കൈയടിയുമായി ഞാൻ അൻസാർ സാർ stage, please. And sirs are വേദിയിലെത്തുകയാണ്. Let me invite Mr. Anwar Sagar, West India Mall of Wedding Directors വേദിയിലേക്കായി എത്തുകയാണ്. And let me invite Mr. Asruddin sir ഈ ചടങ്ങിലേക്കായി ഈ വേദിയിലേക്ക് വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഗോൾഡൻ മൊമെന്റ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. പ്ലീസ് പ്ലീസ് പ്ലീസ്. And ആദ്യം തന്നെ
So ladies and gentlemen, here we have the picture of Wets India Mall of Wedding. നമുക്കൊരു നല്ല കയ്യടി കൊടുക്കണ്ടേ ഈ നിമിഷത്തിൽ? We'll make some noise. Come on, Malik.
Thanks a lot once again, Canadian superstar. There she is! She should come back.
Thank you so much. Please begin the program and our promise.
Thanks a lot once again, Canadian superstar. എല്ലാവർക്കും സന്തോഷം.